How to transfer money from FNB to Capitec. So there are two ways to do that. As you can see, you can do that from your online banking account or app, or by using the FNB cell phone banking option. Now, this is the most common way to send money using FNB. Now, I'm gonna explain to you both ways, so make sure to watch until the end. So the first one, as you can see here, is FNB online banking and app. So you're gonna have to log into your account and then select payments or send money. Then you're gonna have to add Capitec as a new beneficiary. So you're gonna have to use your account details and then simply enter the amount of money you want to transfer and then simply confirm the details. Now, the second option is by using the FNB cell phone banking option. Now, you're gonna have to dial this number here, and then you're gonna have to simply follow the prompts to select send money. Then simply enter your Capitec account details, and then simply enter the amount of money and simply confirm. So, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.